section, we will discuss random replacement eviction policy. This is probably the simplest to understand because this is random, there is no clear pattern. So whenever the cache is full and we have to evict an element to make room for a new element, we select the item randomly. We remove that item and make the room for the new element. So let's say we have a cache to store images. Whenever an image is accessed, we add that image to the cache. Now, suppose the cache is full and we have to add a new image to the cache. So according to this policy, we will select any image randomly from the cache. We will remove that image to make room for the new image. Now, you might be thinking when to use random replacement. Well, the thing is, this policy is suitable for scenarios when there is no clear pattern, there is no clear usage pattern, so we cannot determine which element to evict. Or let's say there are other eviction policies, but they may be too expensive to implement depending on certain factors. So in that scenarios, we can go with random replacement policy. All right, so that's all for now. See you in the next video.